Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your phone and car for Android Auto use. You need an Android phone with Android 9 or newer and the Uber Driver app installed. Confirm your car stereo supports Android Auto or that you can use the Android Auto mobile app. Use a high-quality USB cable or set up wireless Android Auto if your car supports it. Enable location, microphone, and notifications permissions for the Uber Driver app. Restart your phone after granting permissions to ensure a clean connection. Connect your phone to the car using a USB cable or enable wireless Android Auto if available. Unlock your phone and open the Android Auto interface when it appears on the car screen. From the Android Auto app launcher, choose Uber Driver to project it to your display. Grant screen, audio, and navigation permissions when the car prompts you to allow app control. Set Do Not Disturb for driving if desired to minimize distractions. Keep the phone on a stable mount and charging source during shifts. Operate the Uber Driver app on the car display using touch controls or voice commands. Tap Accept to take a trip, and then tap the navigation button to start turn-by-turn directions. Use the integrated map and lane guidance while keeping your focus on the road and mirrors. Speak or use quick reply buttons to message riders and call with one tap when needed. When you finish, end the trip on the phone or car screen and confirm the fare and tip. Monitor earnings and trip history between rides for accounting accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.